What's up, Gold Squad? It's me, Gold Mario 13. Back again. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but now here's a triple reaction. These videos are actually kind of short, and there's only 3 of them for right now. So I'm just gonna react to all 3. So in order, this is Meow, Woof, and Moo by Markiplier. Well, let's get this started.
I'm gonna meow the f*** out of you.
What?
No.
Oh my
Meow.
god.
Meow.
Alright. Jesus! Oh my god. What the hell? Oh.
No shit.
Damn. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's way too fast. Oh, sleepy cat. Oh no, God. It's like possessed.
Am I a cat?
Yes.
Meow.
Oh God. Or a cat. Oh.
Meow, bitch! Why did I waste my life making this video?
Because you can. On to Wolf.
High five? Yes! Barf! Barf, 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 woof, woof, woof. Barf. Oh, please stop. No.
Oh, no.
God, why? What have you done to me?
Oh, dog wearing
My butt
pants.
feels weird. Am I a cat?
Yes.
I'm a dog, barf. Hey.
Oh my God.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh.
Here? Oh, he seems bad. Oh, no. Oh, shit. F*** you.
My God.
This is dog. Woof.
I feel like that's actually how dogs would communicate if they had phones.
Woof, bitch.
Oh!
Say woof again.
Oh, I know this joke. Oh.
Hey, Chica, what's going on? I don't know. Dad, why? Why did you make another one of these?
On to Moo. Well, me. Alright, here we go.
I got you.
Oh.
You win this round. Moo. I'm Mooey. You are my best friend.
Oh, the dog seems so uncomfortable.
We will go on a picnic, and we will have so much fun.
Oh, I know. It's me. Oh God, I know this reference. Me. Oh my God.
Who are you? So fucking cold.
That's basically everyone from where I live at.
Dad, I don't know about this. You're doing great, son. Meow, I'm freezing my udders off. Moo, bitch. That's my boy.
Wow.
Still cold. Shut up.
That's how I feel.
This tail is mine, and it's mine, and it's mine forever. It's mine. Could you not?
Oh my God.
Okay, fine. What if I told you that this video was one big Markimoo joke?
Oh no. Well, that's been the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is Gold Mario signing off. So you better Mario stomp on that like button and subscribe for more content. See ya.